Welcome to this strategic guide on PROFIBUS and PROFINET. We will explore the evolution from the fieldbus to the industrial Ethernet standard, designed for Industry 4.0. We will cover the journey, core technical differences, and the strategic path for your automation architecture. PROFIBUS, introduced in 1989, revolutionized automation by replacing complex, costly point-to-point wiring with a serial fieldbus. This saved costs by streamlining installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting, and now boasts over 60 million nodes installed worldwide. The PROFIBUS family has two main variants. PROFIBUS DP is the high-speed workhorse for factory automation. PROFIBUS PA is the safety-critical specialist for process automation, used in hazardous industries due to its intrinsic safety features. The rise of big data and Industry 4.0 created new demands. PROFIBUS's 12 megabits per second speed became a bottleneck for concurrent high-volume data streams. This required a paradigm shift toward higher bandwidth, flexible topologies, and seamless IT integration, which classic fieldbuses couldn't meet. PROFINET is the next evolution, built upon standard IEEE 802.3 Ethernet. It offers drastically higher bandwidth, up to 1 gigabit per second plus, flexibility with standard Ethernet switches, and native IP-based IT integration, with over 32 million nodes installed by 2019. The PROFINET ecosystem replaces the rigid master-slave model with a flexible consumer-provider architecture, leveraging full duplex Ethernet. Any device can produce and consume data. Devices are identified by a MAC address, IP address, and device name. PROFINET guarantees real-time performance through different traffic classes. Real-time, or RT, traffic meets typical factory automation needs. Isochronous real-time, or IRT, uses time slicing for high-precision, synchronized motion control, with cycle times under 1 millisecond. Comparing the two, PROFIBUS uses serial fieldbus technology, while PROFINET uses industrial Ethernet, offering significantly higher speed and virtually unlimited address space. PROFINET also provides flexible topology and consumer-provider data exchange. In practice, PROFINET's use of standard Ethernet switches allows for flexible network topologies and media redundancy. It uses software-based naming and addressing for simpler commissioning. IRT enables microsecond-level precision for synchronized multi-axis motion control. Delving into PROFIBUS DP, it relies on the -485 physical layer for noise immunity. It uses a master-slave data exchange model with fixed polling cycles for determinism. Devices are assigned unique physical addresses using DIP switches. The unwavering relevance of PROFIBUS PA lies in intrinsic safety for hazardous environments. Its Manchester bus-powered physical layer operates at a fixed, lower speed, but can directly supply power over the bus, simplifying wiring and sprawling process plants. Migration from PROFIBUS to PROFINET doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing decision. For new plants, greenfield installation, starting with PROFINET, is the future-proof choice. For existing plants, a stepwise brownfield migration is the practical approach to protect legacy investments. PROFINET proxies serve as the Rosetta Stone for seamless integration. They are standardized components that provide invisible translation, offering a complete data map including cyclic and acyclic data, and network topology for legacy fieldbus segments. Future-proofing is achieved with PROFINET over time-sensitive networking, or TSN. TSN brings guaranteed determinism to standard Ethernet hardware, ensuring true convergence of OT and IT traffic without interference. This long-term integration is the backbone of Industry 4.0. To summarize, use PROFIBUS PA as the gold standard in hazardous process environments. Use PROFIBUS DP for maintaining or expanding existing brownfield factory sites. PROFINET is the definitive choice for all greenfield projects and upgrades, requiring high-speed, seamless integration and IIoT readiness.